So here we go. It's Thursday, and Thursday morning. I don't know if the guys are going to be here today or not, but they thought they were going to come by this afternoon. So yesterday I got the drywall guy split, and I started working on the paint to get the priming done. So I just started priming in here. Kind of see the beginnings of it. I can actually, it didn't prime very well. Oops, look at that. Damn it, I hate stuff like that. Look at that. The grazing light tells all. You cannot hide from the grazing light. Imperfections show. Anyway, I still got more to do up in here. Some cut in to do. I gotta cut into that cabinet side, cut into that cabinet side over there. This is all done except for the top up in here in the corner. This is all done. It's already a bug. Go away. And the tile guy's gonna start tiling the shower in here. And really, that's not a big deal, but it is where we're at. So we'll get this finished, primed up today, and then hopefully they can get to the tiling the shower soon, and we'll be that much closer to being done. All right, so that's it. Bye.